Welcome to My Math Plus. I am Mohammed Ali, online maths teacher. Today we try to solve one question from Mathematics Paper 4 Extended 0580 Variant 43 May June 2010. Question number 7. Question number 7. This question is from Statistics chapter 7a. The table shows how many books were borrowed by the 126 members of a library group in a month. Number of books 11, number of members, frequency, that is 35. 11 books borrowed by 35 members, 12 books borrowed by 28 members, 13 books borrowed by 22 members, and 14 books borrowed by 18 members, and 15 books borrowed by 14 members. So these are the frequency. Okay, find the mode. Mode means the highest frequency. That means highest number of people collect which books. 35 people collect or borrowed 11 books. So mode is here, mode equals to 11 because highest number of people borrowed 11 books. 35 member borrowed 11 books. That's why mode is 11. Now median. It is very important, median. To find out the median, we have to find the cumulative frequency. It's better. Cumulative frequency means what? Cumulative frequency means running total. At first, 35 here, 35 plus 28, it is 63. 63 plus 22, it is 85. 85 plus 18, it is 103. 103 plus 14, 117. 117 plus 9, 126. Now, 126, here n equals to 126. So, formula is n divided by 2. That means 126 divided by 2. So, we'll get here 63. That means 63rd position. We know that if it's come whole number, taking the corresponding term, that means 60 term, 63 term, and term above, and 64th term, their average will be median. Keep in mind, n divided by 2, if it is come 63rd position, we have to take the corresponding term, that means 63rd term, and term above, that means 64th term. Their average will be median. So here, 63rd term, number of books is 12. So right here 12. And 64th term, obviously, after 63, it is here. The corresponding books is 13. So 12 plus 13 divided by 2. So median is 12.5. 63rd term, number of books is 12. 64th term, up to 63 is 12. So from 64 to 85, number of books is 13. That's why we write over 13. So their average will be median. Now, we have to write here mode 11, median is 12.5, and mean, it is another formula. So find out mean, we have to follow the formula. Mean equals to summation xf divided by summation f. So frequency, we just write over there. Number of books multiply frequency, that means 11 multiply 35 plus 12 multiply 28 plus 13 multiply 22 plus 14 plus 14 multiply 18 plus 15 multiply 14 plus 16 multiply 9 divided by total frequency. Total frequency is 126. That means number of members is 126. So after multiply and then add, we will get here 1613 divided by 126. So we'll get here 12.8. So this is 12.8. I think everybody understand this maths, especially Mahrukh and Shananda. I think you understand these things. So these numbers multiply this frequency, these numbers multiply this frequency, this number multiply this frequency. After multiplication, which value come, we have to divide by total frequency. So this is mean. Now the next maths, number B, the 126 members record the number of hours they read in 1 week. The histogram shows the results. Frequency density, that means frequency density vertically show the frequency density, and here the class width. So what will we find? Use the information from the histogram to complete the frequency table. At first, we have to check in the table which value, which frequency given, and which histogram already drawn. So here, 10 to 12, frequency is 20, and 10 to 12, histogram was already drawn. So if we write for 10 to 12, we know that frequency proportional to area, frequency equals to Ka, and area of 10 to 12, this box, this histogram area, will find length into breadth. So here breadth is 2, and length from here to here, this is 10, so 10. So this is 20. Now the frequency, 10 to 12 frequency also 20. So right over there, 20 equals to Ka, A means 20, so K equals to 1. So as K equals to 1, so frequency density equals to frequency divided by class width, or we can write here frequency equals to frequency density multiply class width. We will use this formula to find out the frequency other three interval. Now, in vertical side, here one thing, 2 centimeter as a take as a 5. So 5 divided by 10, that means 0.5. Each box is 0.5. Each box is 0.5 vertically. Okay, it is very helpful for us. So now for 0 to 5, 0 to 5, frequency f1 equals to f d1 multiply class width. The first one here, first one, frequency density is 3. This is 1, 2, and 3. So 3, class width is 5. So frequency equals to 15. The first one frequency is 15. From 5 to 8, frequency 1 equals to, here 5 to 8, the frequency density is 9. So up to this is 9. So here frequency density is 9, multiply, the class width is 5 to 8, class width is 3. So frequency equals to 27. Now for 8 to 10, frequency, this is F2, F3 equals to 10 to 12, 10 to 12 frequency density equals to 15. 10 to 8 to 12, sorry, 8 to 10, 8 to 10 frequency density equals to 15. 8 to 10 here, frequency density is 15, multiply, class width is 2. So here frequency equals to 30. So we get the 0 to 5 frequency 15 here, 5 to 8 frequency 27 here, and 8 to 10 frequency is 30 here. So our number 1 already completed. So use the information in this table to calculate an estimate of the mean number of hours. Show your work. one thing you have to remember, if you have this type of interval and the table, if you want to find out the mean, you have to find out the midpoint of this interval, midpoint of this interval. Okay, now try. How can you find out the midpoint? So mean formula equals to summation xf divided by summation f. So midpoint 0 to 5 midpoint equals to here 2.5 multiply 15, 5 to 8 midpoint is 6.5 multiply 27, 8 to 10 midpoint is here 9 multiply 30, 10 to 12 midpoint is 11 multiply 20, 12 to 16 midpoint is 14 here multiply 24 plus 16 to 20 midpoint is here 18 multiply 10 divided by total frequency. That means all of this if we add, we'll get here 126. After multiplication and addition, we'll get here 1219 divided by 126. Now if we divide, we get here 9.67. So this is the result, this is the mean. So we have to write over there 9.67. How we did these things? We at first find out the midpoint of this, multiply each of the frequency midpoint, each of the frequency. After multiplying all these midpoint with all frequency, we get the total value here divided by 126. So I think everybody understand this maths. Students, please study properly and plant more trees to stop global warming. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you all.